So on TranZact, we have launched a quick profile setup option. Let me guide you what exactly it is and how it will be helpful. So on your home module, on your right hand side, you will see an option of quick profile setup. Click on this. Now, in quick profile setup, whenever you sign up on TranZact and get yourself onboarded, so few major things which you wish to do, like add your inventory item, add your buyer and supplier, also update your company address, update transaction term, update document series, update user profile, and then in the very last, create document. So let me show you exactly what it is. Here is our demo video, which you can see and get a brief knowledge around TranZact. Now, on your right hand side, you will get an option of the very first option, that is add inventory item. Click on this. Here, you will go ahead and get option to create the item in single. You can also go ahead and upload your item in Excel format in bulk. There is an option to import from your Tally as well. Now, coming to the next part, that is the add buyer supplier. Here also you will get three options, like the single company ad, the multiple company ad through the Excel, and then after import from Tally. Now here comes the update company address. In update company address, you can go ahead and update your own billing address and delivery location, which earlier you were doing from your settings module. So it will become helpful to you. By just on a single click, you can go ahead and update your billing and delivery location. Same will get reflected in your document as well. Now in the transaction term. So in transaction term, there are few of the terms which you wish to mention in your document, like the term and condition, logistic detail, payment term, and bank details. You can set up your entire detail from here. Here comes the next document series. So in document series, whatsoever the document you are creating, so each and every document do have their own predefined series. You can go ahead and change or add a new series in your document through here. Also, you can go ahead and make the document series auto or manual. So this is how our quick setup works. Now here is the update user profile, and then in the very last you can go ahead and create document like purchase order, invoice, or sales quotation. So I hope the very first guidance around the quick profile setup will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.